Konnichiwa, what's up, guys? How are you? Genki desu ka? First of all, maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. And as of now, like, I have 23 subscribers. So salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, and yeah. So today I'm off to work. I'm going to my school today because back to work na kami ngayon dito sa Japan since the state of emergency has been lifted. So back to normal, back to work, back to the office. It's also like been 1 month that we work from home doing online lessons, pero ngayon back to work na kami, back to the office and back to seeing the students again in person. It's exciting, but we need to be very, very careful and always, protect yourself, wash your hands, put on masks. Pero ako wala akong mask. Hinubad ko lang kasi I'm vlogging. So yeah, today we're talking about something na very, very famous in Japan. What do you think? I want to talk about trains here in Japan. So today I'm giving you some random facts about Japanese trains. Ano nga ba yung mga pwede nating malaman tungkol sa mga trains dito sa Japan. And in the near future, when you go here for travel or you work here, then kahit pa paano meron kang konting idea kung paano nga ba ang mga trains dito sa Japan. Alright, let's go!
Number 1. Train maps are crazy. This is the train map that I have here in my station, and look at these station names. Take note, this is just one of the major train lines here in Osaka where I live. Bukod pa rito, meron pang mga ibang train lines operated by private companies, and meron pang mga subways. Each of them has its own crazy train map connected to each other, just like a labyrinth. Mind you, the first time I came here in Japan, I was so lost. I didn't know what to do, I didn't know where to go. But eventually, when you get used to it, like, this is the most convenient thing ever. Number 2. Train passes are very convenient. Instead of buying daily tickets, pwede ka mag-purchase ng mga card na kagaya nito, at pwede ka mag-load sa mga ticket machines kagaya nito. Tulad yan, 7 yen na lang ang load ko. And almost all companies here in Japan provide transportation fee for their employees. So what I do every month is to reload my card, and I can go back and forth to work nang hindi na ako bibili pa ng ticket araw-araw. Number 3. Trains are really on time. Take a look at this one. So as you see on the clock, it's already 11:05 and my train is from 11:07. Oh, number 3.5. Look at these calorie burner counters. So habang umaakyat ka o bumababa, you can see how many calories you're burning. Astig, diba? And here comes my train, just in time, leaving at 11:07 a.m. This was when I got off at 11:28 and the train is leaving as scheduled. Number 4. Wi-Fi in trains. Most train line companies here in Japan offer free Wi-Fi as soon as you board the train. And most often than not, it only requires your email account. Number 5. Women-only train cars. There are designated train cars only for women, especially during rush hours. Number 6. Everyone is quiet in the train. Wala talaga masyadong nagsasalita dito. Phones are usually in the silent mode and people are just minding their own business. Why am I whispering anyway? Number 7. Train screen displays different languages. Of course, there's English, Chinese, at para sa mga naghahanap ng opa, Korean, and syempre Japanese. Number 8. Flipping seats. This is actually my favorite in this list. Look, you can flip the seats in some of the trains here in Japan. Since I have motion sickness, madali talaga akong mahilo. So this is really perfect for me. Alam mo yung kapag umaandar na yung sasakyan and then you're sitting on the wrong direction? Ang bilis makahilo nun. Here, you can just flip the seats back and there it is. Number 9, train delay certificate. Japan is known for being on time. Like they're really punctual. No doubt. I personally witness how Japanese respect their time. However, in a country where train departures and train arrivals are almost perfect, there are still some situations that cause delay. In this case, employees do not need to worry na mapagalitan sila ng kanilang boss for being late for a few seconds. It's because they can just simply go to the train station master and ask for a train delay certificate. Or as the locals call it, Densha Chien Shome Sho. Number 10, disembark first before boarding. Ito yung isa sa pinaka nakakamangha sa Japan. Disiplina. People wait for the others to get off the train first and then they get in. Walang salubungan, may bigayan.
So, yun guys. Those are just some of the random facts about Japanese trains, and I hope you learned something. And if you like and enjoy watching this video, please like, comment, and share. Or kung may gusto pa kayong malaman tungkol dito sa Japan, like anything, kung kaya kong masagot or kaya kong magawa ng vlog, why not? So just comment down below. Yo! Yung vlog! Anyways, so maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe na. And please, if you're first time watching this video or watching in this channel, please subscribe and watch other videos. And again, ingat po palagi. Take care. Kyotsuke ne. Bye-bye. See you. Sayonara. Mata ne.